neat little car show happening down in Sussex. Actually, it's tomorrow. So we're cutting it close on this one. But the old Ford truck, you know, she's gotten a little bit dirty. It's not that bad. It's great for a daily driver, but it's not showroom clean. We're gonna fix that in this video. It's time to go butthole to brisket on this 1996 Ford F-150, and let's clean the living dickens out of this guy. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. First thing that we're gonna do is basically we're gonna sud this guy hole down, and then we're gonna hit it with the pressure washer, then we're gonna bring it inside, and we're gonna get really crazy with it. So let's get going and let's get this guy clean. We got the truck basically clean as a whistle for what it's going to be right now. And now what we're going to do is bring it inside the shop and really get it clean. So let's just do that. It's pretty clean right now, but we can always go a lot cleaner. So what we're going to do now is basically get rid of all these water droplets that are on it. Let's go get a couple of spare rags. And we're just going to dry the entire thing before it just kind of sits on it and creates a whole bunch of watermarks. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our microfiber and we're going to apply a soft layer of this new finish basically across the entire vehicle. It says to let it sit and then go at it, so that's what we're going to do. All we have to do now is wait for the new finish to completely dry. So I'll see you guys back in 15. That's the new finish done. I'm just going to quickly go over the entire car again, just with a dry microfiber, because I just want to make sure I got all the new finish off. So, next up on our list, we're going to do the tires. Nice and easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We have some basic tire shine right here. We're just going to put it on a rag, dab it into the tire, work it in, and let it sit. So the old GoPro decided to die there, so we're gonna pick this up on the phone because this has to be done for tomorrow, so that's awesome. So what we did is we basically coated this whole guy in some Armor All on the inside, let it soak for a couple minutes, just kind of break things up and loosen things up,
And then we're going to come in here with our blue microfiber and just wipe this all down. So we're going to give it a couple more minutes, and then we're just going to go and clean this whole thing up. Door sills too. I never forgot about those, as you can see. Gross. Last but not least, we got all the armor all off this truck, but as you can see, these windows are filthy. So we're going to use this glass. So we're going to use this glass cleaner just on the inside. The outside's pretty clean from the wash, and then that's pretty much it. So let's get a spraying. Take our rag and let's go to town. So there we go, guys. That's basically the detail on this truck. We have it pretty darn clean. Again, the truck's a little rough around the edges, so you can only polish it so much. But this is going to be definitely show shape for tomorrow, and all we have to do in the morning is just take a little towel and take all the little water droplets off from the morning dew. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one really, really soon. All right, see ya.